MTech,
exactly? Tech.
MTech 5 years integrated.
Integrated, which course actually?
Integrated. MTech,
IT.
MTech. IT.
Oh, MTech,
CSE. MTech
CSE.
CSE.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Then it is good.
CSE in business analytics. So whatever we are
Oh,
studying right now.
oh, correct. That's a very trending course actually.
Yes. Very
Business
true.
analytics, that CSE with the business analytics, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
They
So
they will teach AI and ML also into that course.
They will. Yeah. AML, blockchain,
Mm.
all
Oh,
the latest, technologies they are covering, and they are
oh, then it is
giving,
good actually.
they are giving 4 semesters internship, not 2 semesters,
Oh,
'Where?
4 semesters. Yeah, in they're having multiple companies like Google, Amazon. They are coming.
Oh, okay. So this overall duration of the course is not 6 years, 5 years only.
The 5 years, only 5 years.
So then it will be 4 + 2. If you do outside MTech, it will be covering 6 hours, 6 years, right?
6 years, yes.
If you do,
So it
yeah,
is.
but if you choose the integrated, I think it will cover in 5 years. So you are
but yes,
reducing one more year.
Yeah.
we are saving. Yeah.
It's a good idea.
That is why it is. I'm planning to.
Okay,
Okay.
cool. The single point you covering master degree with a less number
Yeah.
of years.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, back to our thing.
Mm.
So I hope you have done some homework.
Yes.
I am guilty of
I.
not looking at it.
Okay. No issues. So I
I
mean,
created have account though.
uh,
Uh, I did not get chance to look at any of the projects, but I just
oh,
glanced through programs which we have already created to brush off myself and not to forget things.
okay. Super. So you just refresh some Python concepts, right? Okay.
Yes.
So before starting the next phase of Python, I just wanted to introduce some of the interesting and also, it will be a day-to-day, in your day-to-day life, it will be very, very much useful. And then we will just go back to our lesson plan. That is what I'm
Okay.
thinking right now. So you just started how long you are using ChatGPT and Gemini?
Last
Chat,
1 year.
yeah,
Last one. Okay.
1 year from the time it got popular. I
Okay.
have installed it on my phone though, so I
Okay.
keep using it now and then.
Okay.
I also attend some business meetings, so there if I need to give some speeches or something, I just
Mhm.
go there, give some keywords,
Okay.
get the information and create my own stuff. But yeah, basically I get the content from there, manipulate it or edit it to my needs and then
Mm,
present it.
mm. Okay. Got it. So, other than ChatGPT, are you frequently using any other similar kind of a product?
DAL-E I used.
Okay. For image creation.
Yeah, DAL-E for image creation we have used.
Okay.
Photoshop, yeah, for AI like Photoshop we use for editing. I use some of the concepts
Mm-hmm.
like AI technology is there.
Okay.
So there for editing pictures or
Mm.
changing the backgrounds or removing something from the picture, I use those
Mm-hmm.
options.
Okay. Okay. So there is a very famous, the competitor for ChatGPT and also Meta AI. There is an application called Claude. Okay, Claude.ai. It is a really interesting, uh, large language model. You have to say, you have to, just, coming to our terminology. Okay. Don't, somebody else like, okay, it's a AI product. No, you have to be very, very specific. Like this is all these models are called as large language models. So one of the famous application, and it is not a famous, not only famous, it is really very competent enough with ChatGPT, and you will be getting very good ideas. Your content from this Claude really nice. Okay, it's really what to say. I'm really enjoying this, using Claude. Okay,
How
so you
it
can also
what is that? How it can compare with the Jet GPT and Gemini?
yes.
How it be very useful, Sini?
Yeah. See, yeah. So Chat GPT and also Google Gemini, you have to give some kind of, enough storyline. That is, the situation. Like how we used to, the last two class, last Saturday and Sunday, I was demonstrating that you have to give the entire situation what you want out of this tool, right? For Claude, it is really, the fine tune and also very fast to just understand your, understand your request. I will show you in what way it is. Okay, and also you can compare it with a so, yes. See, see this comparison. In Claude itself, there are different products. Okay. 3.5 Sonnet is free. Even in that, the pro version is available. Only, if you are just right, keep on doing a lot of things, it will just restrict. But in free itself, you will be getting a very good content. So if you see that the GPT-4, that is the latest advancement in GPT. This is GPT-4o. Okay. See the response, the graduate level reasoning model. If you just try with this Claude Sonnet, it will be 59.4% accurate than GPT. Okay. And they are all, they don't want to compare with even Gemini and also Llama. Llama is nothing but it is also a large language model which has been used by your Facebook. That is called Meta, not anymore the Facebook, Meta.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right.
Meta, they are using their own language model, large language model called Llama. Okay. So it is now they just introduced recently, they're just upgrading Meta AI. Maybe, if you just open up your WhatsApp, you
What's
can see the
mm.
latest. The round color, round shape.
Yes.
Yes,
This is
yes.
this is the recent update from WhatsApp, and this shape you will be getting in all the um, Facebook,
Meta pro-
Instagram, yeah, Meta. That is for a conversational purposes. They are using large language models, and it will whatever you think, it will just try to write. You don't want to type anymore. Okay, you can just say hi. Maybe the situation, if you're just maybe you and Sai have a business conversation, it will try to extract those information out of the conversation. And also it will just um, go in depth. Say for instance in SAS, maybe if you're talking about something through your WhatsApp conversation, and it will just drag the conversation like anything, and it will give lot of information in those conversations. If you want, you can just press that round button. It's still not in pilot phase, not yet introduced in India, uh, still in testing mode. It will be released one by one, stage by stage. Okay, so you can use. So these are all. I mean, if you go to this page, now I will just copy and paste it in your chat box. So take this information. You can also compare. Okay. Compare it in a free time. See, it is from Anthropic. It is the company called Anthropic. The cloud is from Anthropic. Anthropic is nothing but a separate private entity, and it is a public limited, not a private institution. It is a public limited company, and nobody owns this. Anthropic owned by board of directors. It is a public, and who, even if you wanted to contribute, you will always welcome. See the accuracy, undergraduate level knowledge, MMLU. You will be getting to know all these things in future. Okay. Reasoning over text, drop, F1 score. We will see the F1 score. What is F1 score? Statistics. Mixed evaluations, big, bench, hard, and see 93%. And grade school math. So if you wanted to solve maybe up to a 12th standard mathematics, the accuracy is 96.4%. It is giving me. This is what it means. Grade school math, even some of the engineering maths, it will try to. Okay, that's what it is. It meant the grade school math. So we can compare this kind of with GPT and also Gemini and also Banana. So these are all the three things. Other than this anthropic model called Claude, there is one more thing. Okay, the Claude is, you can just access through Claude.ai. See,
How do you know which is Sonnet or other versions?
no,
Is there
only
any,
Sonnet will be
like,
accessible. No, nothing. Only Sonnet is accessible.
okay.
They are very great in this kind of a context. If you
For the
want, you
latest
have to
only
pay
we
for
are
it.
using.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes. Okay.
For 3.5 Sonnet. Okay. Okay. It is
Yeah,
there. It is written there. Okay.
yeah. So maybe we'll try with some of the things. The latest one. I haven't tried anything. Even I haven't given any kind of a situation. I wanted to know about large language models. Okay. Whereas I insisted you the other session, like we have to give the situation, like what is large language model, in which stage I am in. We'll just see what would be the difference. So large language models are advanced artificial intelligence systems trained on vast amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like text. So these are all the functionality. Functionality, architecture, training, size, examples, right? Notable LLMs include GPT by OpenAI, BERT by Google, and Llama by Meta. Applications, they are used in chatbots, content creation, code generation, and many other fields. Limitations, LLMs can produce biased or incorrect information and may struggle with tasks requiring real knowledge. So this is very, you can also compare with GPT, maybe Gemini.
What question, Srinivas, like you in the previous lecture, it mentioned that for Google it is BERT, but yeah.
No, BERT is
I was
yeah. No. Here, I understand your question. They are trying to ask. But actually, this is based on the type of algorithm. You can't find any applications by the name BERT. So previously it was called as BARD, BARD. Before Gemini, it was BARD, BARD. And BARD is based on BERT algorithm. Okay, there are so many terms which, this is what your question, right?
Yeah.
I assume. Right. So let's try with ChatGPT. Gemini. Large language models. Now, this is an improved version from the Gemini. This is the response by Gemini. Let's see in ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT has changed its face. It's really amazing the information they are giving these days. If you are using latest one, they are using this kind of an architecture, and you can connect with any GPT by OpenAI, or they are recommending a lot of bits like you can explore GPTs. So I'll just apply for your information. See, mm, this is you can just go for, if you want to write a ebook or something, you can go for this. Okay, so write for me AI humanizer, humanized AI copywriter, and also content writer. I mean, content writing, you can go for it. And if you want to go with productivity, you can also connect with Canva, video, text to audio, these kind of things. If you are doing research and analysis, Scholar GPT, concepts, they are connecting like anything. They are just integrating like anything. They are trying to be in all in one place. Okay, you don't want to go with any other applications. This is what the latest ChatGPT environment, the upgradation they are doing. Here, what it is saying. Let's see. So I haven't asked any kind of a specific questions about large language models. I just type large language models. Previously, it was not the case, and it will try to give some definition. That's it. They will stop it. Nowadays, it is just right, because the GPT 4.0 in 4, I mean O, the latest version of ChatGPT. You don't want to give any kind of a situation, and that is again the prompt engineering has been improved by ChatGPT. Okay, that is what. So I mean, likewise we can compare. Okay, now we compared the same kind of a questions with three different large language models, right? I will show you one more thing for your reference. This is called Perplexity. This is also a very keen version of the large language model. This is also a competitor, competitive version of ChatGPT and other kind of large language models. This is also, I like this. Okay, what is the specific difference? And I will show you one. Okay, I'm also giving the same question. Okay, I can change it. I just asked large language models. Just see, it is trying to give the sources. It is trying to give the link where it is trying to get more information. So it is giving like IBM page. It's just like a Google search engine. It's not I mean, extended version of Google search. It is good, and it has been developed by an Indian, right? It was just like working like anything. It is the best competitor for all the large language models. This is called Perplexity AI, and this is also giving a lot of the links, the best sources of links within a fraction of a second. And what is the answer? I'm getting some definition, because this is the general purpose language generation model. Right? If you want to view more, you can also click. Right? If you don't want to see more, you can just minimize this. And also the primary architecture and training process. What is the concise summary about large language models? Apart from this, they keep on extending the exploring the questions like how do large language models differ from traditional NLP models? It is giving you more additional information. This is what we will be expecting in those models, but ChatGPT or any other models won't give you. Okay. So in that way, in some cases, even though if you don't have an idea, by seeing the keep exploring section, you will get this is what I was searching for. This is the same question. It is a kind of an FAQ. Okay, so all these things will be added over here. So you can just, if you click, it will be extended like anything. You keep on extending, okay, the question. And also you can share. Share is also there. And one more thing, the right hand side, see, you can also see the images. You can see the images about LLMs versus traditional language models. Let's see. How prompting is working, how large language model is working. And you can use it for your business meetings and other purposes, creating presentation. Or you can also, let your team members know, because you will be working with team members, right? A lot of people will be reporting under you. So you will ask them to do maybe for clerical or kind of admin work, right? You ask them to do make use of these kind of things, right? So this is excellent resource, and also not only images, you can also search for videos, the same place. Okay. And also, this is like the pro version. You can also generate in the same version. Pro, I mean, in free version you can't generate image, but you have to pay monthly $20. Then you can get everything. You can also generate an image with it. So with all these things, I like. I mean, Perplexity. It's like all in one place. Now even Chat GPT is trying to get in all these things. See, Dolly is coming into the same place now. Okay, and the right for it is like I'm just using for a lot of the integration part of my writing articles and everything, because it gives me an extended version of my mind, what I'm thinking. I give a lot of the analysis, and also if I give my notes as an attachment, it will try to give a lot of things. And even Perplexity AI, you can attach. You can attach anything. See, this is perfect. If you just okay, if I'm just giving this one, maybe I'm giving my profile. Okay, just analyze. Maybe give me summary. Yes. See, just given a nice summary of my experience. You can also attach, and also if it is a too much, maybe if I share some of the materials to you, right? If you just wanted to read the summary of the entire the information, if we just give and ask, it will be the summary. Okay, so this will be day in and day out. It will be really useful for you as you are in leadership role. Okay, I hope it will be beneficial for you. All right. So if you have any question, just ask. And the Claude is like why I like Claude more, the accuracy of information, and also the ease of information, and the language of the Claude. It is really it is like more engaged version, I can say. Okay. So the version and the point by point it will be given. Even if you ask, it will give. But still, the first attempt itself, I'm getting very nice impression based on my prompt. Okay. So just now you are free to go, free to use all these versions, and let me
So
know what.
generally, Sini, I have one question. So
Hmm.
generally, the language models are nothing but these models are created by the company to train on artificial intelligence or systems, or what basis this LLMs are developed?
Okay. These LLMs developed by free resources that are available over the internet. Suppose I will show you very different questions so that we will get an answer. Okay, I will go for a new thread. Any questions you wanted to ask? Any generic question? Just let me. I will type over. Any questions? Any different, not AI, maybe different domains as well.
Okay, like how to write a program to create a Rubik's Cube.
How to write a program
To create a Rubik's Cube.
to create a
Digital Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's. This is the spelling, right?
Yeah. BIX, I guess.
Yes. Let's see. I will explain from here. Okay. This okay. The K. This is here is a concept guide on how to write a program to create a Rubik's cube. So K is yeah, not X, I guess. So it is a Rubik's. Okay. So this is the information where it is taking. Okay. The question for Senthil to respond back to this about Rubik's. There are so much of information that are available over the internet like this. Okay. Right. So yeah, so this is the YouTube video, and also you can search for the images, and it is trying to take and also comprise see not only Perplexity, not only ChatGPT, not only Gemini, what this large language model will I will tell you. There are billions and billions of text. It has already been trained. Okay, for the period of time, something like maybe 1 month down the line. Maybe starting from today, what I'm thinking, yes, I wanted to do some kind of develop a large language model chat. What I will do, I will have a space in a cloud, okay, AWS or Azure cloud, whatever it is. What I will do, I will collect all the open resources out of the internet. I can't touch any kind of a royalty or any kind of a copyrighted information. I can't touch. Instead, what I will do, the information with respect to Rubik, I will just collect all the information and just shuffle it, and I will train it and test it and validate it. Like how to say this in a statistical terms. If you are doing a general linear model, the GLM, proc GLM, okay. In general linear model in statistics, what you do, you are going to find out some probability. In general linear model, it has some kind of a power to to calculate some kind of mathematics, right? So through that mathematical procedure, you are just trying to find out some probabilistic value. Okay, the same kind of things this happening over here. What it will do, already I just billions, not million, not even millions. Million is 10 lakhs. Billion is 100 crore. Okay, billions and billions of text. What I will do, I will just train through lot of different statistical models which I have in machine learning. And through that model, I'm just give the like how do you have Alexa product at home? Amazon Echo products, right? So you are talking with that device, right? Even Siri, Apple Siri, you are talking with your phone, and it is giving some information. How it is giving? because it's already got trained of so many questions. That is why it will be trying to able to understand your conversation. But 10 years before or 5 years, even 5 years before, our language is not, will not be able to understand by Amazon Echo or even Siri, because the language which we are speaking, it is a native language. Impact of native language. Hyderabad, I mean, Telugu people will, the slang will be different. Tamil people slang will be different. Even in Tamil, there are so many regions. They will have a different kind of a slang. And if they are asking any question, the Amazon or Siri won't be able to understand and respond. But not now. It is easy because they will try to understand the important keywords. Now, what I have given the keyword, Rubik's is a keyword, Rubik's cube is a keyword, and program is a keyword, and write is a keyword, and how is a keyword. So how, write, program, and Rubik's cube. So based on this, what it will do, it will just fetch all the information out of the training models, which is available. And that is why it will be able to give this kind of a link thoroughly over here, but not in ChatGPT or any other language model. I'm just combining a lot of information if you don't get confused. Okay. So here, what they are trying to do in Perplexity AI, yes, these are all the resources which Perplexity finds it more useful. This is one. And Perplexity, what it will do, I'm just comprising the information with respect to your prompt. What is your prompt? You are asking how to create a program about Rubik's Cube, how to create a program, how to develop a program. I mean, this is a general rule out of the internet. I just, collecting all these things with the human nature of, the response. It is not like, okay, here it is information, take it. No, it will be just talking like a human being. Okay. And also it will give additional information as well, because in your mind, maybe the first question, Rubik's cube, maybe lot, I mean, we have seen this kind of a cube everywhere, right? And maybe few of us have, I mean, we explored this kind, how to solve this cube, and there is a way. But yeah, still now I didn't touch this kind of a cube. I never solved, I never tried to solve, and I don't like this kind of thing. Okay. It's just a one, we have to sit in one place and we have to do it, and I don't like this kind of things. But if you just, I'm trying to watch any movie, that is, that is more engagement, rather than this. So that is how the human being, and even, every individual perspective will differ, right? But for some people, if you are more fond of gaming environment, those people will try to solve this. And what this large language model will do, it will just collect all the information in just I mean, assume that it is a huge container. In that container, lot of information about Rubik's cube. And what this Perplexity AI, it just goes and just find out the relevant information, how to create a program. That's it. And it will just start writing a sentences. And to start writing a sentences, it has been trained. That is called as large language model algorithm. That algorithm will take care of each and everything. That is what we are going to be in future. This is how it will work.
This algorithm is based on Python programming.
Python.
Algorithm is based on Python
Yes,
programming.
algorithm is
Python only.
No, no.
Okay. Oh.
Python only. And in Python, what we are referring? We are referring a lot of libraries, right? The same kind of a robust library we are going to. That is called as TensorFlow, and another robust library called as PyTorch. But TensorFlow is nothing but it is an open source library by Google. Okay, so TensorFlow is a very, very famous library for this kind of a machine learning. Okay, so we'll be seeing those kind of things in natural language processing. Okay, so I have written recently, 2 more books, and I'll send you after this session about natural language NLP and also LLM. LLM is a separate product by, I have written. Only you can find only the information about the LLM.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, this is the LLM book recently have published. So I'll share with you, after this session. So it will give you the entire information about LLM, but it is very too early for you to understand.
Mm.
And we have, just don't go to that extent right now. I want to build the base in Python, and then we have to start the basic machine learning programs, and then I want to introduce that kind of a language now. Okay, right. So you can find out in, yeah, the natural language processing, LLM. This is Amazon page to driven biostatistics in your field, because that is I worked for 16 years, so I just wanted to give it. So this one again, this is a real estate book, and AML. I already shared this book. Also Python program. It is a very simple and sleek book for Python programming beginner. Okay. Right. So this is all about I want to give to engage. Right. So what is next in Python? So it is vast, and it's also interesting. And based on your expertise level, based on your interesting level, just choose any one field, either NLP or in NLP itself, either LLM, or you can fix about computer vision. Okay. I used to write all these articles regularly in my LinkedIn page, and also deep consistency, what you like recently. You just check it out, and every day, and I used to write